In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Cursor AI for free in this comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Cursor AI can be an invaluable tool thanks to its generous free tier. Let's dive right into how you can get started and make the most of this great resource. First, we're going to head over to the official Cursor AI website. It's important to access the correct site to ensure you're downloading the genuine software and not falling for any imitations. Once there, look for the download button. Cursor AI is designed to be accessible across different operating systems, so whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, they've got you covered. Click the button to begin the download and follow the on-screen instructions to install the editor on your system. After installation, you'll likely encounter a prompt encouraging you to upgrade to the Pro plan. This can be easily dismissed by closing the pop-up window. The free tier is quite robust, offering a range of features that are particularly useful for coding. With basic AI autocomplete, you'll receive code suggestions as you type, streamlining your workflow significantly. There's also an error detection feature, which helps you spot bugs quickly, saving you the headache of debugging later on. Additionally, you'll be able to utilize the limited AI chat function, where you can ask the AI questions about your code. Keep in mind, though, that this feature is capped at 50 queries per month, so use it wisely. Once you've set up Cursor AI, it's time to start coding. You can open an existing project or create a new file to begin. As you type, whether you're working with Python or JavaScript, you'll see Cursor AI in action, suggesting complete function templates based on what you type. It's a great way to experiment with coding concepts in a more guided fashion. However, it's important to note a few limitations. The free tier doesn't offer advanced features like code refactoring or unlimited AI chat availability. Despite these restrictions, for anyone learning the ropes or working on small-scale projects, there's plenty of functionality to support your needs. A pro tip to elevate your coding experience: use this free tier to practice coding concepts or try your hand at personal projects. You can enhance this experience by pairing it with other free tools, such as GitHub Codespaces, which allows for cloud-based development. This combination can be a game changer in creating a flexible and resourceful coding environment. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed guide to getting Cursor AI for free. Happy coding, and see you next time!